Simon says in the workplace, success is a team sport. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And we are completing our series based upon the wisdom of one Simon Sinek, with whom I've had a bromance for a number of years, reading all his books, watching whatever videos of his that I could see. Because the man has wisdom to share. And my thinking is very congruent with his thinking, and it makes common sense. He doesn't yell, he doesn't scream. What he does is he speaks in a nice, quiet way with common sense ideas. So let's kind of summarize the mantra of Simon Sinek, because I do agree with it wholeheartedly. The point is, so how do great companies come together? There's a trust and cooperation. Trust and cooperation are essential for production, innovation, and it is essential for sustainable growth. If we don't trust the people that we work with, it's not going to work. It's essential for basic human needs. Remember, definition I gave you a couple of videos ago. Love is giving someone the power to destroy you and trusting that they won't use it. The same is true in business. These are not instructions, these are feelings. You can't tell someone to trust you or to love you. It's a feeling that's developed over time. It's a culture that is embraced with reciprocity by the leaders and the rank and file. It's the willingness to listen to new ideas from those that are committed, and the willingness to give team members the benefit of the doubt because they've earned your trust, that their actions are directed towards improvement and not personal gain. It's paying attention to the why you are in business and not how you can pump up the metrics to make you appear like you're achieving great things. It's about sharing and selling the vision, the worthwhile and substantial vision, every single day. It's about measuring the progress toward achieving that vision with sincere measuring tools and looking upon an unsuccessful attempt at reaching an objective as feedback to search for a new and more effective starting line and not as ultimate failure. It's about the ability to chunk down issues into their smallest components to make them conceivable, believable, and achievable. Using that methodology, you're able to conquer the disease known as overwhelm when your objective is a large one, and your objective should be large. It's the ability to see 10 miles down the road when your night vision only allows you to see the 200 feet in front of you. It's the ability to inspire yourself and your people to reach just beyond their grasp and willingly accept difficult challenges through the promise that reaching the goal will make all of their efforts worthwhile. It's about servant leadership. Servant leadership. It's about adding value to your constituents. That is, both the people that you work with to achieve the goal and the people that you serve that benefit from that goal's fruition. It's about remembering that it's always about adding value and not numbers. It's about recognizing and celebrating progress as a team and realizing that progress itself is the elixir of life. It's about personal development for yourself and for the members of your team. It's about realizing that personal development is the best investment that you can make. It's about resisting the temptation for a short-term spike that generates a temporary jolt in favor of slow and steady and truthful progress that generates stability and safety in the workplace culture. What is safety in the workplace culture? It's the ability for the individuals to make moves because they feel that those moves will move the cause of the company forward, and not worry about, oh, you did this, you made that mistake. It's about eliminating the finger-pointing culture in favor of the, quote, we live and die as a team mentality, unquote. And that motivates people to seek assistance rather than the desire to camouflage mistakes. It's about not fearing the other people at the workplace and instead collectively embracing the dream. It's about recognizing that success is always a we event and not an I result. It's about the common usage of the English word we, W-E, so that you can exclaim and celebrate with the French word oui, yes. But most importantly, it's about recognizing that satisfaction and fulfillment in the workplace is a right and not a privilege to be enjoyed only by a selected few. As we sit here today, the numbers of people that get satisfaction at the workplace are approximately 1 in 4. Does that sound right? It's about a sincere feeling of fulfillment when we return home at the end of the day. It is a Martin Luther King's I Had a Dream speech for the workplace. Success is a team sport. Always remember, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. Thank you, Simon Sinek. I'm Eli's dad.